Nice and rainy today. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my new subwoofer. Just installed. We're about to run to town real quick. Check that out. Fits in there so perfect, it's almost like it was made for it. Alright, what's up guys? We are going to renew my tags on some of my vehicles. The tag has been out on my FRS for a couple months now, and I haven't gone to renew it, and same thing with my motorcycle. But, y'all ready to hear my squealy belt in my 4Runner? Here we go. You ready? Hang on. Wait. Oh yeah. That's the real McCoy, baby. Okay. I've had the belt to change. Like, this thing has 3 belts on it, and I've had a pack of belts to change for like 3 months now, and I've just been too lazy to do it because this summer was so hot, and it's still so hot. It's September and it is 89 degrees right now, and it's 1 o'clock. It's still gonna get hotter. That's the crazy part. But anyway, today we are going to be going and renewing my tags on my MT-07 and the FRS. And then as well, we're going to be picking up a motorcycle carry hitch for my 4Runner, because I'm taking my 4Runner and my motorcycle on a trip to the coast next month for a big ass car event. So I'm gonna have my helmet, camera set up, and gonna do some rides with that too. So anyway, let's get it done. All right, got some tags. Now we're gonna go to the gym and we're gonna go pick up this nice hitch and get it put together this afternoon. Okay, so we have picked it up. As you can see, kind of had to lay some stuff over. We'll put it together here in a few hours whenever it cools down a little bit. It is 91 degrees, like 90-something% humidity, and hot. It's 3 o'clock. We're gonna put it together probably around 5:30 or 6 and see what it looks like. Alright guys, ignore the loud truck coming down the road, but we are going to be putting together this motorcycle carrier, 600-pound motorcycle carrier. It hitches up to the back of your vehicle and allows you to put your bike on the back. So that's going to be really helpful and useful for me, because my bike is well under 600 pounds, and the tongue weight of my vehicle also supports that stock. Plus I have stiffer suspension on here because I plan to add front and rear steel bumpers in the future, and a roof rack tent and a roof rack. So I went for the heavier capacity springs. So this should be perfectly fine as far as being able to haul it with my 4Runner. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing cut open and get the pieces laid out. Alright, so this is what we've come up with so far. I'm going to go ahead and actually mount this to the 4Runner now, so that way I can attach the pieces that go up under it. And yeah, so start doing that now. Alright, so that's it. It looks and feels pretty damn solid. I can tell you one thing, the damn thing's heavy. Now we need to attach the ramp holder as well as the piece that rotates behind the back tire to hold it down. Alright, so this is what it looks like put together. You got these little cotter pins right here and a little wing nut. You uninstall both of those, and that's where the ramp lays. I'm not going to put that on there yet. It's still in the box because I'm about to actually attach it here and put my bike on here, because I need to see the adjustment on where this piece needs to go. That's the piece that's going to go behind the tire to hold it on. Okay, it also comes with this nifty little clamp that goes on your actual like hitch to you know, brace it. So we're going to install that real quick too. Alright, so it don't look too bad on there. Definitely not really sagging as much as I kind of thought that it would. I guess that's the heavier springs doing their job. But anywho, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing off of there and go ahead and put the ramp up and show you guys what it looks like with the ramp up. And this is what she looks like stowed up. I don't have the little wing nuts on here to hold it down, but I mean, you get the picture. And it's light enough that one person can move it as well, so pretty cool all in all. You know, for $200, I think that it's a pretty sweet pickup, especially whenever you can get those little 15 and 20% off coupons at Harbor Freight runs like all the time. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it on that. All right, guys, next day, my paddock stands came in pretty slick. Able to pick the bike up now and be able to do my maintenance and stuff on it. I really need to clean and oil my chain for sure, and all of that noise. Plus, it would probably make it a lot easier to clean because the bike definitely needs to be cleaned as well. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Just some random stuff going around everywhere. Like I said, I got some gun builds coming up. I'm going to be building a UMP 45 as well as finishing up my Uzi build, and we are going to be hopefully doing some stuff with this Lexus soon as far as getting it tore apart and sold. Probably going to sell the car as a roller and then sell the 2JZs separately. I need to go ahead and get rid of them and get them out of the way. I need to take that money to do other things with it. And then I also plan to get a K24 engine to put into my FRS. Also, I don't know if I ever showed this or not, but in the last year I put the 86 front end on it. So car definitely looks a lot better than it did. I think that front end looks awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video, guys. Subscribe for more if you have not already. Like I said, stick around for some gun builds we got coming up, as well as FRS content, motorcycle content, and content for my 4Runner as well. Got multiple things going on. I got my hand in too many different things, to be completely honest, and I need to get this thing moved and get it out of here. So anyway, other than that, follow me on Instagram at Mellow2JZ. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a wonderful day. Peace.